Hi you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna be giving you guys a tutorial on how to retwist your own locks, and I thought I'd add in some cute little hairstyles at the end so you guys can also get some ideas on how to style your hair. Now I'm not gonna be like particularly styling my hair, I'm literally just giving myself a basic retwist. Look out for another video within maybe a month because I will be actually doing a style of my actual locks, but for today we're just gonna be doing a basic retwist and cute little updos and basic styles that you can be doing on your hair. So as you guys can see, I washed my hair this morning at about like 11ish. It's currently 5 and my hair is still pretty damp because, you know, locks hold like a lot of moisture. So I washed my hair and I had a client earlier. That's why I'm in my suite. If you guys don't know, I am a hairstylist of about 3 to 4 years now. So I'm in my suite right now. I do take clients. I have multiple videos. I have multiple hair videos. If you guys haven't seen my suite video, I'm gonna link it up here so you guys can watch it. This is my hair right now. I did dye it black as well because some of you guys may have seen my locks were red. I've been locked for maybe about a year and a half now. I locked my hair up in July of 22. This is what it's looking like. So we need a retwist, and I just had a wig on, so do not mind this line on my head, y'all, because yeah, we're just gonna ignore that. What you guys will need is, most importantly, you need a mirror that's in front of you, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm sitting down on my floor in front of a big mirror. You're gonna need a small mirror so you can see the back of that hair. That's the most important thing because people are always like, how do you part your hair? How can you see your parts? You need another mirror or else there's no way you're gonna be able to see them. There's just no way you're gonna be able to see the parts, you guys. So you need some hair products. If you guys watched my last video, I said that I've been using the conditioning like braid gel because I haven't liked this one, but I went to the store and we're gonna try it out again. This is usually my go-to, but if not, I say the all-day conditioning like braiding gel is really good as well. Just a good product for your hair to help hold the retwist. Hair ties, of course. Clips. If you've been on my channel, you know I'm a fan of the big clips. The big clips just help everything stay together better in my opinion, and it won't be in the way as much as the little clips. First things first, I'm going to start off by just sectioning off the back of my hair. I'm going to be starting off by just sectioning off this back row of my hair. As you guys can see, I have all the locks in the back sectioned out. With this, I'm literally just going to take my fingers and try to like separate as much hair. I try to separate as much hair that I can feel with my fingers because it isn't like doing like a retwist as you would do on somebody else, because I feel like some stuff is just kind of like really hard to do. So when I part my hair, I don't put any product on that part to part it. I literally just try to find the part with my fingers, and then once I have done that, I take my first part that I can feel. So it's kind of like we're moving backwards, because usually when you do it like on clients, when you have like clients, you usually put product on it to part it. But I feel like it's kind of the opposite with your hair, because just watch, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I literally part it even though I literally can't even see what the part is looking like. Then I go in with my product. I'm just feeling with my fingers at this point. And after I apply the product, that is when I go in with my mirror. So I go in and then I start parting it. Applying that product without knowing what the part looks like it helps with parting. And then if you guys can see, that's just like the best and go get. And then I go in and reapply just a little bit more product. I'm twisting my hair to the right. Depending on which way you started your locks, that's just the way you're gonna twist it. And I'm taking any excess hair that I have and twisting it around. The shrinkage is actually crazy because I know y'all saw how short this lock was. Goes down to right here. I'm gonna clip that up. And then I'm gonna do the same with the others and like clip them together. I just did my first row. So here is the first row. As y'all can see, I literally just like clipped them together. And I'm just gonna keep doing this like for maybe about like 2 more rows. and put all these rows into these clips and then like repeat, if that makes sense. But I'm gonna show you guys again as I go on.
I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest at night. I want it. I want it. Never fall out of love with you. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling.
I just finished twisting it. Here's like the layout of everything. So as you guys can see, like how the sections are, I just basically put everything together until it was too full. Now I'm gonna go sit under the dryer. Yeah, I'm gonna sit under like a overhead dryer. That is what I definitely recommend for you guys, because I feel like that's what's gonna hold the retwist as good as possible. I sit under there for about 30 minutes. And if you guys don't have that, then obviously you would have to use a regular blow dryer. You're just gonna have to sit there for a really long time, making sure you blow dry your hair to the max. But I definitely recommend getting an overhead dryer so that everything could be set in stone. So I'm gonna redo that, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished results and to give you guys some hairstyles that you guys can do with your locks. Alright, you guys, I just got from under the dryer, so I'm gonna take these clips out. As you guys can see, it's dry, and that's how you want it to be. And then I'm just gonna go in and separate them, because you know they're all together. This is how it looks retwisted. Now I'm just gonna give you guys some cute little hairstyles that are some of my favorites and just something to help y'all out. So one style that's super duper easy are 2 pigtails, and I usually like to just leave some in the front. It's just so pretty. It's just so pretty and full. This one might be one of my favorites. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but very cute, very cute. Definitely a fan of this one. Ooh. With this hairstyle, it's really cute. You could probably add more hair than I did, but y'all get the point. Then this next one is, I leave like a lot more down in the front, so I leave like 3 pieces down in the front. And then for this one I usually need a bigger scrunchie, so I take a lot more hair and I put it up, and then I literally leave only like 2 rows down in the back. So here's this one. I really like this one as well. And then of course you can always pull it back and do a cute little, you know, but to be honest y'all, after I retwist my hair and after you retwist yours, I recommend pulling it back, whether it's in 2 pigtails or 1, because that will keep the retwist holding really good as well, and then tying it up every night instead of just tying it up in a scarf. And that's how we're ending. On that note, thank you guys for watching this video. If there's any more hairstyles that I missed, comment down below, because I finished this within 2 hours, but 2 hours. But if there's anything that can help me go faster, if there's anything that can help somebody else, please comment down below and let me know what else you guys would like to see as well. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye.